Hey guys, welcome to NFTs That, where we dive into the craziest NFT news in the market right now. As the hype for NFTs continues and the most expensive, yet easily the weirdest NFTs are currently worth more than the most of us will ever earn in our lifetimes, let's see what all this crazy is about. When it comes to crazy, NFTs seem to have found a rocky road to their popularity. Pun intended, because one of the most absurd yet extremely expensive NFTs today is known as Eat the Rock. This truly magnificent piece of art that your 2-year-old could easily create on Microsoft Paint costs as much as $1.4 million by the end of August. As it states on eattherock.com, those pet rocks serve no purpose except for the feeling of pride from owning one of these marvelous JPEG beings, or in a way the feeling of pride of being able to spend so much money on something so insignificant. But hey, at least you can put it on the wall and stare at it while contemplating your life choices. While another popular NFT is not even offering you that kind of luxury. Invisible Rock is another pricey JPEG that offers you the gift of imagination, while it invites you to stare at a completely blank piece of art. It indeed must be art because people are willing to pay more than $32,000 just to own a little wild JPEG. Sometimes I wonder if this confusion is exactly how people felt about now famous artists in the past centuries. Next up, the insanely famous rapper Doja Cat recently jumped onto the NFT train with her brand new digital art collection Planet Doja. It contains 26,000 limited edition digital collectibles along with a VIP concert bundles. Doja dropped her NFTs on OneUp.com, a music-centric and environmentally friendly NFT marketplace. She later stated that though she doesn't know much about this industry, it is well known that NFTs may be bad for the environment and cost a fortune. Doja promised that her collection won't be adding up to these particular issues, and it seems to be true so far. The starting price of Miss Cat's NFT is only $5. An average school kid can now buy a piece of digital artwork for their lunch money. For the upcoming Halloween, we offer you to dress as a Cryptopunk 1477. Why, you ask me? Because if a pixelated JPEG of a woman that costs $3 septillion, that's 24 zeros after the dot, guys, doesn't make you want to walk into the ocean, I don't know what else does. Let's be real here, guys. There are low chances that anyone will be able to buy a picture of a massively popular Cryptopunk NFT for all the money in the world, even if it offered you eternal life. But there are people who are still willing to pay as much as $11.7 million to officially own a JPEG of an original character. On the one hand, this is a great playground for rich people who love trading cards. On the other one, fine art fanatics are scratching their heads louder and louder with every new NFT. Enough about NFTs that are still up there for the grabs. What about the most expensive ones that were already been bought? The winner in this category is Mike Beeple Winkleman, whose NFT was sold for $69.3 million. And before you judge it like another JPEG, this NFT is actually a valuable piece of art. It took Mike 13 whole years of painting every single day to create 5,000 original artworks that he later combined into one digital picture and sold as an NFT. The big spender who now owns the NFT appeared to be an Indian guy who said that the whole point was to show Indians and people of color that they too can be patrons, that crypto was an equalizing power between the West and the rest, and that the global South was rising. Power to the NFT! As for the last news, there is a new event for you to attend. While a great part of the world still has no idea what NFT is, true admirers of this highly trending marvel are already organizing a festival to celebrate their creations. NFT investment fund Metaverse has announced Dreamverse, a unique festival that focuses exclusively on NFT-focused music, art, and technology, and it is definitely the first event of such kind. It will take place this November in New York City. The event will include the premiere unveiling of Every Days, the first 5,000 days, full art exhibition, and an electronic music concert. You can't tell us that the world is not going full digital when the events like these are happening with such hype. That's all the news for this week. Let us know which NFT story hit the spot for you, and don't forget to subscribe to get notified when the next episode of NFTs That goes out. Bye, Z's!